Hey guys, what's up? Back with another how-to. One of my favorite moves when it is cooler out is to use my jacket like this, and you flip it to give you, or they call it like a hood flip, or at least that's what I call it. So I'm going to show you how to do that today here. So there's like a few like variations you can do. You either want the easiest jacket to do this with, and it comes with time and experience. It would be like a more weighted jacket. The one I'm wearing is more like a snowboarding jacket, so the heavier, the better, in my opinion. So first, make sure your hood is not inside out like mine is here. Okay, otherwise that's gonna happen. You want it to be obviously turned right side in. That way, when you go to flip it, it catches perfectly. And then sometimes if you have a hat or a bucket hats will definitely interfere with it, with your hood because of the brim. And then even hats might interfere too. But, you just grab both sides of the hood and just practice flipping it over your head. And again, you can take your hat off if you have a hat. You can do it with both. Maybe when you're like more experienced, you can even put your hat backwards and do it as well, but it could interfere. So just keep that in mind, put my hat down for this. So again, you just take, both your index finger and, your middle finger and your thumb, take it by the edges, at the ends of like the hood, almost where the drawstring is, and you just, you flip it. The next one is going to be taking your jacket half off, and then you roll your arms and your shoulders forward, and you flip it over like this, like that. Pretty cool. Don't worry, your jacket on the bottom tends to get stuck underneath you, but that'll fix itself. Just keep moving, so don't worry about it. You can also do a one-armed or one-handed flip. This is a little bit more hard, a little bit more difficult because you have to, it's like you're only pulling one side of the hood, so you have to just kind of make sure you get it the first time, and then boom, like that. So you can use both hands, you can use one arm, you can have the jacket half on and then, half off, or half off and then flip it like this, like that while you're moving, as I'm demonstrating here. It's just something cool to add a little bit more flavor, more sauce to, when you're dancing, when you're shuffling. So let me know what you guys think of this. I have a lot more videos that I just need to really edit and then post them. Just have a lot going on. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.